Hello everyone, we District Technologies are back with our new product, District Sense. The tagline for our product is Digitalize Your Workplace. It is a product which is a boom in IoT and IIoT 4.0 era. This product is designed to take your all machines in the industries to over the internet so that we can access and obtain the real-time data from anywhere anytime with the help of internet. So to demonstrate our product, we have made a small pilot project to demonstrate its exact working to you all. As you all can see, we have a computer over here, a temperature controller of Omron model E5CC, which has the communication facility of RS485, a Schneider energy meter which also has the RS485 facility in it, a Delta cum internal HMI cum internal PLC, and my laptop. Starting from my first controller, which is connected to an RTD that you can see, which is dipped into the glass of water, and it's showing its real-time data, that's 29 degrees Celsius. If we check it in our app that we have made to view the live data over here, see, you all can see that the temperature in degree Celsius is 29 degree and the set point we have set as a cutout or relay is 22. So Sumit sir along. So we have a Omron controller, a temperature controller E5CC, demonstrating the live temperature of the water that is filled in this glass, the yellow glass. Sumit sir will help me to put the RTD in the another glass which has the cold temperature water. As the temperature changes, the reading also changes. We will see a live reading coming to my laptop that is connected via internet to the same controller. As we can see, the reading is 20 degrees Celsius. The reading changes to 20 degrees Celsius, and we can see that live demonstration on our mobile phone also via using APK that we have developed for it. The Omron degree temperature is 20, so it has changed to live reading. Just a second. Okay, it's 17 degree over here and 17 degree over here. If I will change the set point of my controller to 26, you can see it has changed to 26. Here it will also, yeah, it has changed. So you can see that it was a real time change. It didn't take much time. It was just the delay of internet to take the data and print over here. Coming to our next controller or device, which is Schneider energy meter EM7230, which is also connected on the same network with my District Sense only. So it shows me the three phase and the VL average voltage and the frequency. So we have used the data printing on VLL, the voltage live and live average, and the voltage and live neutral average to show on my energy meter. Let's see over here. Okay, VLL reading is 8179, VLL reading is 8169. It's just due to the a little bit delay due to internet. What if I will change the reading? Will it change? Let's see. The sir has removed the input to the meter and it shows me 0 voltage of VLL, 0 of VLN and 0 frequency. So will it change here? Yeah, it's 0 now. What over here? Yeah, it's 0. VLL voltage energy meter 0, VLN voltage energy meter 0. Coming to the another device, which is our Delta HMI cum internal PLC, which is connected to a banner sensor which shows me the real temperature and humidity around it that are generally used in the storerooms or the warehouse to control and see observe the temperature and humidity over there. So what if I will put my hand over it and change a little bit readings in my sensor? Yeah, you all can see that it's changing. Let's check over here in the real time, side by side. This is my humidity changing live, and this is my temperature changing live, 28.7. Let's see over here on my mobile phone. 90.28 was my humidity and 28.7 was my temperature. It's changing because it's working in real time. It's not just workable on mobile phone or the APK. We can also check it over our web page that we have designed for our product. Anyone can access it from anywhere, anytime, just to view it live.
We hope you will like it. Please like our video and subscribe.
So last reading we saw our how to cross check it. Okay, we have our temperature meter at 18 degree and set point is 26. 18 degree and set point is 26. We will cross check it again. So the temperature is increasing as we have put back the RTD in the normal temperature water only. Let us see it online. The temperature was 27 degree. Yeah, temperature is 27 degree and set point is 26. Temperature is 28 degree and set point is 26. One add-on feature we have added to it, as we all know that in keeping a data record in our industries is a major drawback, as we all have to note it over the register and keep it in the records. We have done a smart work in it. We have added a email function to it that will send me an email automatically daily at same time. Let me show you again. See, I have received an email at 5:54 today morning. It's 5:40 a.m. and the same I received a day before also, one day ago at same time. So this verifies that we will receive it daily at same time. It will send me an Excel sheet that will record my data that I was receiving over my controller or any device connected to my District Sense in real time with a timestamp over it. So I hope you all loved it. You loved the demonstration, and we will see you again soon with our new product. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.